Hey everybody, it's Bryan with the Bound Web Design here with another Squarespace tutorial for you. Today we're going to be talking about a new feature that Squarespace has just recently released, which is saved sections for footers. So this is specifically just for the saved sections in your footer section of your website. It works exactly like the saved sections that Squarespace has had out for a while, and I've got a video on that I'll put up here in the with one of the cards, and then also it'll have it available in the description of this video. If that's what you're looking for, you can go watch that. But this one's specifically for the saved sections and the footers. And I'm going to show you how to access that and how it would work. And let's just jump over to my screen right now and we'll go ahead and get started. All right, so we're going to use my demo website for this demonstration, and we'll go down to the footer, and I'm going to move myself up to where I won't block that, but go down to the footer here, and then we'll go into edit mode. And just like how in any of the other sections, move myself over again. In any of the other sections, we can click the heart to save that section. We can now do that in the footer as well. So like if we really like this footer layout, and this might be for a situation where at different times of the year you have to change your footer. And so you have maybe two or three different footers that you like, and you don't want to have to rebuild them every time. So like if you like this one, you could save it. And then now whenever you go to add a section, like if you wanted to add a footer again, then now you would just move myself out of the way again. You have saved sections here in footers. And you see you have these are the ones that are available. This is the one that we just saved to be able to add. So let's say that we wanted to add one of these other ones that I have as a saved section as well already. We would just click it, and it's acting funny. Let's see here. Let's refresh the page. And then go into edit again. Go down to the bottom and edit the footer and add section. Click on the save sections again. And then you see that it pops up right there. It just adds it to the footer. Now these are fluid engine sections and classic editor sections that you can add. That's all there is to it though. Any of these sections in the footers that you save, they'll only be available if you're adding a section in the footer. So you couldn't save one of these sections in the footer and then go to add a section in another part of your website, up here on the page. It's not going to be available. So that's all there is to it. If you found that useful, please leave a like and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials like this one. And if you'd like me to build your Squarespace website for you, you can find my contact information in the description below.